Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by listing topics and exam dates, then prioritize by weight and difficulty. Block out calendar time and allocate more hours to items worth 25% or more of the grade and to weak topics. Use 50-minute focus study blocks with a 10-minute break for every block to maintain attention and retention. Set clear goals like complete 2 practice problems or summarize 1 chapter per block so progress is measurable. Prepare materials in advance. Notes, textbooks, past exams, colored pens, and a timer so you do not write concise summaries at the end of each topic in your own words to test understanding and memory. Structure pages with clear headings, bullet lists, and 1 visual per page such as a diagram, timeline, or flowchart to engage visual memory. Highlight formulas, dates, and definitions using color and place examples nearby so you can apply concepts quickly. Include mnemonics and 1-sentence explanations for tricky ideas. Then collapse long paragraphs into 3 to 5 key lines to make later review fast and focused. Use retrieval practice with self-testing. Close notes, answer questions, and grade yourself. Perform timed 30-minute quizzes, then check answers to strengthen recall. Schedule spaced reviews at 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, and 21 days after first study to move facts into long-term memory and reduce last-minute cramming. Simulate exam conditions with past papers and exact time limits to build pacing and reduce test anxiety. Finally, refine notes based on errors, focus on the 20% of topics that produce 80% of mistakes, and rest well the night before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.